feed industry in India started on a commercial and scientific basis around 1965, with medium-sized feed plants being set up in northern and western parts of the country. Before this, feed was mainly produced for dairy cattle, and the poultry industry was as yet not developed for commercial purposes. This was the 60s. But now, the feed industry has grown and developed on a humongous scale to cater to the needs of the ever-growing population. It therefore became imperative for India to collaborate with the best in the world market of feed and biofuel manufacturing plants and technologies. This subsequently led to the collaboration and association with ANDRITZ. ANDRITZ is one of the world's largest groups for the development, manufacture and sales of processing machines and systems for the industrial production of high-quality animal feeds and biofuel. It is 100 years within the milling industry, 5,710.8 million euros, 220 production and service sites worldwide, and has a large global network of agents. ANDRITZ Feed and Biofuel has its division headquarters at Denmark and production locations in the Netherlands, Slovakia, UK, China, India and the US. 23,700 people working in ANDRITZ globally. 578 people working in ANDRITZ Feed Technologies.
We already placed 6,000 plus pelleting lines across the world. In India alone, we sold 46 pelleting lines in the animal feed industry and biofuel industry. Our Netherlands and China wear and spare manufacturing plants are fulfilling the wear and spare needs of our esteemed customers worldwide. Out of this, the Netherlands plant is the world's largest dye manufacturing plant.
ANDRITZ manufactures equipment in the feed and pelleting line and provides complete plant solutions which are high in performance and cost-effective. It supplies a compatible and homogeneous solution from raw material intake to bagging the feed. ANDRITZ customizes its packages to suit the needs of the customers, whether it is related to engineering individual process machines, complete processing lines, turnkey projects, and spare parts or service. ANDRITZ provides plants which are easy to operate and maintain, which has a short implementation time and excellent performance. Because of an excellent track record, ANDRITZ has established itself as a globally leading supplier of pelleting equipment and systems. It has 5 divisions and a 600 plus crore turnover in India alone.
ANDRITZ entered in India during 2005 in the feed and biofuel segment, and today we reached a level of #1 animal feed pellet plant suppliers in India. This exponential growth happened only due to our turnkey expertise, high technology, energy efficient key equipments, good capability on the project execution, and very good after sales service support to the customers.
As always in ANDRITZ, consider us or will help the customer to consider us as a business partner. That means that we will work what's bring value to the customer. We are finding out what market we are in. Our strategy is to be #1 choice for our customers, and here in India we really have the right setup with the people, and by keeping them motivated there is a great future for getting a lot of good and big projects here in India.
And is the biggest supplier of machines in the feed pellet line. There is a high demand for cost-effective and high-quality feed in India today, which requires a high level of specialized processing technology. What makes the company highly successful is that it is unmatched when it comes to energy-efficient technologies, process automation, and a strong and unparalleled after-sales service and spare parts availability. ANDRITZ Feed and Biofuel, established company today in India, looks forward to collaborating with our Indian customers for many years to come. It supplies to many well-established companies in the Indian market like Venkateshwara Hatcheries Private Limited, India's largest poultry company that has recently commissioned a state-of-the-art poultry feed plant from ANDRITZ.
We have started our division poultry operations in India 40 years back. Since that, today we are having 80% market share in broilers and 90% market share in layers, and we are producing approximately around 1 lakh metric tons of feed every month. In South India, for our integration division, we are producing around 30,000 tons, but so far we have produced most of our feed was mash feed. Now actually last 1 year back we wanted to go for the pelletized feed. So we have approached ANDRITZ, and within 8 months we have completed the whole project. Since 1 month we have produced around 6,000 tons of pellet feed. The quality of the pellet feed produced from the ANDRITZ plant is very good actually. Then it is cost effective also, and definitely as the quality is very good, we are going to recommend for other producers in India.
Saguna Foods Limited, a pioneer in high-tech and high-capacity feed mills, has installed 8 ANDRITZ pelleting lines since 2005. The National Dairy Development Board initiated an agreement between its associate company IDMC, a leading dairy equipment manufacturer, and ANDRITZ Feed and Biofuel for providing cattle feed plant technologies, and have already completed 2 projects to increase the production of cattle feed in the dairy segment.
ये हमारी बनास डेयरी की स्थापना 1969 में अंडर कोऑपरेटिव एक्ट के अंतर्गत रजिस्ट्रेशन किया गया था, और फाउंडर हमारे चेयरमैन गलबा भाई मांझी पटेल के हाथों से ये डेयरी का स्थापना किया गया था। गुजरात में ऐसी हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज कोऑपरेटिव डेयरीज़ हैं, और सेंट्रलाइज उसका मार्केटिंग गुजरात मिल्क मार्केटिंग फेडरेशन अंतर्गत होता है। ग्लोबल टेंडरिंग के जब एवोल्यूशन टेक्नोलॉजिकली कर रहे थे, तब सारे जो टेक्नोलॉजी वर्ल्ड वाइड जो टेंडर सबमिट हुए थे उसको स्टडी करते हुए हमारी टीम ने ये डिसाइड किया था कि यूरोप बेस्ड ये जो एंड्रीज मेक की इक्विपमेंट वाली जो टेक्नोलॉजी है वो हमने एक्सेप्ट किया था उस टाइम जब एवोल्यूशन करते के टाइम में, और उसमें जो देखा गया था फीचर्स कि उसमें क्या है, एनर्जी एफिशिएंट है, डस्ट फ्री है, कम से कम यूटिलाइजेशन मैन पावर का है, वो देखते हुए कंसिडर किया था। तो हम पूरा प्रोक्यूरमेंट थ्रू जो क्यू इक्विपमेंट्स जो हमने प्रोक्यूर किए हैं एंड्रीज के कंपनी में से, तो वो उसके हिसाब से हैं, उसकी जो कैपेसिटी आ रही है, उसका जो प्रोडक्शन क्वालिटी वाला निकल रहा है, उसी हिसाब से जो रेटेड कैपेसिटी बताया गया है वो एज इट इज़ हम रियल प्रैक्टिस में भी देखा है। लास्ट 1 ईयर में हमने जब भी ये चलाया तो उसको कोई स्टॉप ऑन पोजीशन में कोई इंटरप्शन नहीं आता है, कोई वाइब्रेशन भी नहीं है। तो जो हमने की इक्विपमेंट प्रोसेसिंग किया है ये राइट सिलेक्शन है हमारा, तो हम गौरव ले सकते हैं कि जो उसकी वजह से बनता है ये कंसिस्टेंट क्वालिटी मिलती है, तो उसमें क्वालिटी में कोई डिटोरेशन नहीं देखा गया है। उसकी वर्ल्ड क्लास की जो क्वालिटी मिल रही है तो उससे हम फुली सेटिस्फाइड हैं।
Bangla Eggs started off on a small scale and developed over the years to become one of the biggest suppliers of eggs in Tamil Nadu. It operates 2 feed mills.
Bangla Feeds அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து 89ல் வந்து நாங்கள் ஆரம்பித்து அப்போ வந்து மாடர்ன் மில்லாக வந்து நாங்கள் வந்து ஒரு ப்ரைவேட் கம்பெனியில் வந்து ஹைதராபாத்தில் ஒரு கம்பெனி வந்து ஃபீட் மில் வந்து மாடர்னாக போட்டு கொடுத்தாங்க. அதுலேருந்து நாங்கள் வந்து எப்படின்னா கிட்டத்தட்ட வந்து ஒரு 6-7 வருஷம் வந்து அந்த ஃபீடு வந்து வெளியில் வந்து மார்க்கெட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருந்தோம். பெல்லட் ஃபீட் மில் போடணும் அப்படிங்கிறத வந்து ஸ்டடி பண்ணோம். ஸ்டடி பண்ணும்போது வந்து ஆண்ட்ரிஸ் ஃபீட் மில் வந்து ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குன்னு சொல்லி வெளியில் கேள்விப்பட்டோம், விசாரித்தோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் போய் அகமதாபாத்தில் வந்து ஒரு கவர்மெண்ட் பிளான்ட் ஒன்று போட்டிருந்தாங்க, அங்கே போய் பார்த்தோம். அது பிடிச்சதுனால வந்து சரி அதே மாதிரி பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது வந்து சரி டிசைட் பண்ணோம். ஏற்கனவே நிறையா பிளான்ட்டில் எப்படி செய்கிறாங்கனாக்கா, நீங்கள் வந்து பெல்லட் பிளான்ட் வந்து ஒருத்தர் போடுவாங்க, சச்சர் ஒருத்தர் போடுவாங்க, பேனல் போட ஒருத்தர் பண்ணுவாங்க. அது மாதிரி வந்து ஒரு 4-5 வந்து பிரிச்சுருவாங்க. ஒரு மிஷினரிஸ் பண்ணும்போது பிரித்து செப்பரேட்டாக கொடுப்பாங்க. எங்களுக்கு வந்து கம்ப்ளீட் எல்லாமே இந்த பிளான்ட் ஃபுல்லாகவே வந்து நாங்கள் எதுவுமே செய்ய மாட்டோம், நீங்களே செஞ்சு கொடுக்குற மாதிரி தான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து பண்ணுறேன்னு சொல்லி சொன்னால் அதுக்கு அவங்க வந்து அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டாங்க. ஆண்ட்ரிட்ஸ் பிளான்ட் வந்து நாங்கள் வந்து சூஸ் பண்ணதாக வந்து அவங்க வந்து எந்த இதாக இருந்தாலும் கம்ப்ளைண்ட் இருந்தாலும் நாங்கள் இமீடியட்டாக வந்து சென்னையில் நாங்கள் ஆஃபீஸ் போட்டுருக்கோம். அதனால் வந்து இமீடியட்டாக நாங்கள் வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஆன்லைன்லேயே நாங்கள் ரெக்டிஃபை பண்ணிடுவோம், எல்லாம் கம்ப்யூட்டரைஸ் பண்ணி தரோம், ஆன்லைன்லேயே நாங்கள் பண்ணிடுவோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. கண்டிப்பாக வந்து இந்த பிளான்ட் வந்து ரொம்ப சக்ஸஸாக இருக்கும், குவாலிட்டியாக வரும்னு சொல்லி நாங்கள் வந்து எதிர்பார்க்குறோம். போய் ஜெர்மனியில் பார்த்ததுக்கப்புறம் வந்து எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப நம்பிக்கை இருக்குது.
RG Sundar and Co. is a supplier of animal feed in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. They supply directly to 100 farms and more than 200 dealers.
We wanted to make our Kamadhenu feeds to a global standard, for which we go with ANDRITZ people, and we finally placed the order, and we are putting up 20 metric ton capacity machinery in our new project. After placing the order, yes, they committed, they delivered the machineries in time. ANDRITZ people are very customer friendly and helping us in various lot of ways to make our plant come out very successfully.
MBS is a company that supplies broiler chicks, hatching eggs and broiler chickens. Within a short span of time, it has established itself as a reliable organization in the field of poultry.
We at MBS Hatcheries have always been quality conscious, and in furtherance of it, we have installed ANDRITZ machinery to produce the best poultry feed cost effectively. What's special about ANDRITZ is the service calls are attended very promptly, and we are very happy with their quality, after-sales service and their supply commitments.
Skylark Hatcheries is one of the most prominent companies in the poultry industry in North and East India. It has diverse activities which include hatcheries, feed milling, broiler farming, poultry equipments, poultry processing and retail marketing.
When the Skylark name comes, it is known as the quality in the whole of the North India. How you can see the quality? You can see like we are making antibiotic free chicken, number one. And again the feed is selling in the priority in our area, everywhere where we are marketing. And we are expanding our business like feed business now. From last 4 years we are in the market sale of the feed. But now we are expanding like in our one plant in our like this Purnia in Bihar in eastern region. That is we are going for with ANDRITZ, and we feel that ANDRITZ plant will be better for us in the future to maintain to improve our quality standards. We hope that we can improve our quality by the automation, by the good quality pellets, and like better like formulation with like better like correction in the formulation with automation.
Many other companies with a similar background of poultry, cattle and aquafeed, pet food and biofuel are now considering tying up with ANDRITZ Feed and Biofuel to set up large capacity units for optimal cost and efficiency. ANDRITZ also has a strong foothold in many other Asian countries like Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, Japan, Korea and China, and is preferred for its high-end technology and service network. As a result, there is an elevated sense of satisfaction among its customers. ANDRITZ Feed and Biofuel is the one-stop solution for all your feed requirements. It has a worldwide presence which makes it easy to provide service and support through their regional service centers. Its engineers are available anytime for plant audits, helping in finding a possible production increase and identifying cost-saving techniques and fine-tuning the process. There is also worldwide availability of spare parts, online process service, recommendations for spare parts stock and standby service technicians. ANDRITZ believes in maintaining a close relationship with its customers and providing them with the best of its service.
I am responsible for the product quality and also the process quality. I'm here specifically to assure that we have the same quality standards all over the world, and that means that the quality assurance of each product and each project we supply has to be the same all over the world. The customer should not see any difference if they buy a machine or a plant in Denmark or here in India. In ANDRITZ, we never compromise on the quality.
No matter which part of the world it is operating in, its European divisions are always there to back it. And this is one of the reasons why it has been highly successful in making its presence felt on a global scale. ANDRITZ's vision is to provide global technologies with localized service and to have a powerful global presence.